Hey, you guys are watching Bird Up, the worst show on television.
Tiny
How fast this bleed?
That house wasn't there before.
What the is that thing?
What is that, a woodpecker?
Whoa, I thought I had a lot of weird stuff.
You spin me right round, baby, right round like a record, baby.
Garfield. Garbage. Garbage.
Lamp oil, rope, bombs. You want it? It's yours, my friend.
Here, let me see it.
Rita the Owl Lady, you are wanted for
Your crimes against
Harrison Fordham. Harrison Fordham.
You're gonna kill me!
I won't let him hurt you. A human like you is much more valuable dead than alive.
Wait, what?
Here we go!
You won't get away with this, Owl Lady!
You can open your eyes now, human.
Oh, check! I'm looking down!
What is this place?
This is
Ohio!
every
Problem.
you humans have is caused by a little of our world leaking into yours.
Harrison Fordham.
Loose, Lord Garmadon.
We banished those guys. A bunch of freaks. Oops, that happens sometimes.
Oh, look, can you help me get back home?
Of course!
Really? No.
Password, please!
Get out of my sight before I demolish you.
All right, you don't have to shout at me!
Do you live here all alone?
I have a roommate.
Breathe.
I can leave them!
I don't feel safe.
She's here to help us with our situation.
Wait. I don't like the sound of this situation.
You see the quotations I'm making?
Let me explain.
I don't like the sound of this.
I can explain.
I don't like the sound of this.
Let me explain.
Long before time had a name,
Ohio!
was created by
You're a nerd!
by using the form
Copies of Premium Rush.
weapons so powerful, no one can handle all of their power at once.
When he died.
His two sons swore to protect them, but the oldest is the great big jerk and wanted to possess them. The older brother is
Harrison Fordham.
a battle between brothers broke out, and
Harrison Fordham.
was struck down and banished to Earth. The younger brother hid them.
Copies of Premium Rush.
He placed a guardian to protect them.
Copy of Premium Rush.
Is being held by the warden and locked away behind a magical force field
In a castle far away where no one can hear you.
On top of a camel.
that only a human can break through. A human like you.
Probably not you specifically. I think it's a metaphor.
So what do you say?
Where are we going?
Somewhere super fun. A place for those considered unsuitable for society.
I've been waiting to use this. Meow meow.
It's hideous.
Oh, you'll fit right in.
The stupid warden likes to lock people up who don't fit in. I write London fanfics.
I'm here because I like eating the jelly from my own eyes.
She's really big into conspiracy theories.
Harrison Ford is irradiating her testicles with microwave satellite transmission! Who told you? Your mama? Are you little? Hey, come on!
Hey, I just checked.
Harrison Fordham.
Is distracted, tormenting some tiny creature.
Copy of Premium Rush.
It's close. I can sense its power.
Come on, before he hurts himself.
Somebody once told me.
Wait a second. Is that
My crown!
Yes, yes, I can feel my powers returning.
Now let's get out of here before King loses his head.
Too late.
Ow! What?
Finally.
Someone let me out of my cage!
source of power!
What do you want with me?
I want you.
You want me?
If you don't accept, then I have no choice but to
Nice.
Expecto Escapicus!
Bennett magic stick!
That's it! Today you're gonna die! Say goodnight!
You get back here, little lady! Where'd she go?
Ida, lend me a hand!
But I don't seem to have any!
Pull the lever, punk.
Somebody.
Today I capture you once and for all.
Get that motherfucker!
Do not, for I am Wario! Now eat this, sucker!
Holy sh!
Lose.
You just killed that man. What do you have to say?
Crikey.